It's useful in public policy contexts to distinguish between tame problems and wicked problems. Tame problems are not always easy. In fact, they can be as hard as you like. But they tend to be problems where parameters are fixed, information is consistent, and there's agreement about the basic rules of the game. With wicked problems, we might not know what game we are playing. It may be easier to agree that there is a problem than to describe what the problem is, or what would count as a solution. Wicked problems transcend the usual boundaries, require new working methods, and cooperation across groups who may start from wildly different assumptions and commitments. Global Studies at Essex is all about wicked problems. How do we feed a growing population on a finite planet? Are GM crops part of the solution? Can economic innovations like microloans be used to foster agricultural development? Could the most effective strategies in fact be changes to educational policy? Wicked problems often turn out to be interrelated. Will rising sea levels exacerbate the migrant crisis? If so, what sort of response would be practical, just, and effective? If you're looking for easy problems, Global Studies at Essex is not for you. If you prefer tame problems, look somewhere else. But if you're looking to develop the tools for tackling the wicked problems of our time, Global Studies at Essex is the place to start.